Hey guys, I already did my eyebrows already. As you can tell, I put my hair back and everything. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking the LA Color Concealer and we're going to be putting that all around our eyes. Now we're going to be taking the LA Color Concealer and putting it under our eyes. You want to buff this with a buffing brush so that way you have a clean surface for your eyeshadow, your foundation, anything. Now what you want to do is you want to take a spray bottle with water and spray it on your beauty blender. You're going to pat that all over your face so then you don't have no creases. Next, what you want to do is take the Jaclyn Hill palette and take the colors Beam and Silk Cream. And you want to take those two colors and blend it from the outer corner to the inner corner. Now you want to take the color Hunt and put it on your outer corner and blend it into your inner corner. Now what you want to do is you want to blend it all out with your blending brush like how I did it on the other side of my eye. Here I'm taking my e.l.f. brush cleaner. I'm cleaning my brush from previous colors that I used. Now I'm taking Beam and Silk Cream and I'm putting that on my main eyelid. Now I'm taking the color Pukey and putting that in the inner crease of my eyes and blending it in. Now I'm going back with the color Hunt and mixing it with the Roxanne, and I'm going to blend those in. Here I'm going in with the colors Beam and Silk Cream and going over that little ombre effect on my lid. Now I'm taking my foundation color. I have two colors, one's matte and one's dewy. I'm going to be mixing them together during this video. And here's my matte one. I'm focusing it mainly on my nose because that's my problem area because I have really dry skin. So I feel like if I use a dewy foundation, it doesn't stay matte. So I mix them two together. I'm taking my liquid contour and I'm putting that around my face and blending it out. Now I'm taking my LA Color concealer from before and I'm putting it on my areas that you want to have brightened. Blend it out. Sorry for the lighting, y'all. Bear with me. Again, you want to go over your nose so then there's no creases. Now I'm taking my water bottle and beauty blender from before and I'm going over those areas. Now I'm taking my translucent powder and I'm putting it all over my areas I want brightened. This is a non-toxic translucent powder, so that way it doesn't create that flashback effect. Now I'm going to be taking this brush and brushing it all out. Notice how I brush out my translucent powder all over my face. I technically take it off the areas I put it in, but also I'm blending it out on my face as well, so then my whole face gives that matte effect. Liner from before, and I'm going to be putting that on my waterline. Here's a close-up view of how I put on my liner on my waterline. It gives that bright and open eye effect. Now what you want to do is you want to take the color Hunt and put it under your eyelid so then it matches your whole look. I like to do this because it brings out the whole look together and it gives you a more defined look. So then your eyes are open, you got this dramatic look. And now to add on top of the dramatic look, I'm going to be putting on my falsy lashes. These are wispy lashes. Have like a little dramatic and natural look to them, and that's why I always use these lashes. Notice how you see like the white glue still on my eyelid? That will dry clear. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking my mascara and blending my eyelashes into the falsies. Do not forget your bottom lashes, guys. Do not forget your bottom lashes. And do the same thing to the other side. Do the bottom lashes, don't forget them. Good, check me out. Now you're gonna take the white liner from before and you're just gonna go over what you already did. Now I'm taking my NYX blush and I'm going over my cheekbones area, and I'm gonna go up to my forehead just to create this warm look, warm subtle look. Now I'm going in with my powdered contour, taking that and putting that in my areas. Now I'm rubbing off that foundation from earlier, and I'm going to be putting on for my lips. Be putting on this highlighter, make sure it's glowing. going to put my highlighter in the inner teardrop of my eyes. And also, I like to put my highlighter in my brow bone as well, just to define them. Where I go with the brow bone, yes, make it glow. Now what I'm doing here is that I'm lining my lips. I'm not outlining my lips, I'm lining my lips. Lining my lips is that I'm not drawing over them, but I'm lining in them. I'm going for an ombre effect, just like my lids, doing it to my mouth, ombre. Now I'm going to be taking this gloss, put it over the liner. And now I'm going to be taking my NYX matte. Blending that out. Now I'm going to be taking this glow. Never too much glow. Now I'm going to be taking this lip gloss that I like to use for my photos. This, when the light is on my lips, it shows those areas. Ooh, something's in my face. And I'm done, y'all. This is the look. This is the finished look. Brush out my hair. Yes, y'all.